Hi everyone, good day. I welcome you to Jump Maths channel. My name is JANIS. Don't forget to subscribe my page, on your notification button, so whenever I have an update or a post on a question coming up, you're able to receive my notification. Okay, today we want to look at important algebraic formulas. There are some important algebraic formulas you are expected to know or you're expected to use when solving an equation. In my previous video, I explained the meaning of algebra. I explained why it's called an expression and also why it's called an equation. Today I want to give you what an important algebraic formula. So this formula will enable you to solve algebraic question without stressing yourself. You just see it, particular algebra, you just know what to use directly. So we'll be looking at the 6 of them. There are 6 important algebraic formula. Now I'll be solving just 1 and 2. Number 1 and 2, I'll be explaining it properly to you. I'll be expanding it. Then the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6 is just self-explanatory. So let's look at number 1 now. We have a plus b squared. They said a plus b squared, a plus b in brackets square. Now this particular question here, this is an algebra. Why is it an algebra? It has letter, it had sign. But now, it's not an equation, it's an expression because there is no equal to sign. I explained that in my last video. So, from this particular question, now, I can decide to expand this particular thing to give me what? A plus B in brackets, another what? A plus B. There are two A plus B, A plus B. Why? Because they said A plus B in brackets square. That means when you have square, that means it will appear in 2 places. If it has cube here, which is 3, raised to power 3, appear in 3 places. If you have 4, appears in 4 places. Depends on the number of the power there, which is what the exponent I've explained in my previous video. So now, I want to solve this particular question to arrive at this answer, which is what the algebraic formula. So the algebraic formula for number 1 says what? A plus b square is the same thing as saying a square plus 2ab plus b square. How do they arrive to that particular thing? I'll be solving it now. Now, since you have square here, so that means what? This bracket and this bracket appears in 2 places because of the power here, 2. So now, for me to open this particular bracket here, so that means the a will open the first a and the a will also open the b. Then the b will open the first a, then this b will also open the second b, like that. So the first bracket open the second bracket. Now I have this particular one. The first arrow here said a times a. A times a, which is what? A square. Plus then a times b, which is what? A b. Then I also have what? Plus then b times a, which is ab, alphabetical order. Letter a comes before b. So b times a is same thing as ab, alphabetical order. Then I have what? B times b, which gives me what? B square. So from this particular question, I have what? A square. Then we have ab plus ab. It's trying to saying when you have a particular number, a plus a, each letter here represents 1. A here is 1, a here is 1. That means it's what? 2a. So that's what's happening here. I have ab plus another ab. That means ab here is 1, ab here is 1. So 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 2. Then I put my what? AB plus what? B. Plus B. So this gives me what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Plus b square. So that's what it means here. So the first algebraic formula says what? Anytime you have what? A plus b in brackets square gives me what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then if I have number 2, they say what? A minus b in bracket square, it's same thing as saying a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then my number 3, they said a square minus b square is same thing as saying a minus b in brackets, then another bracket a plus b in another bracket. Now you should be able to understand that. Number 2 will have what? A minus b in bracket square, they said is equal to what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Number 3, if I have what? A square minus b square equal to what? a minus b in bracket a plus b in another bracket. Number 4, a square plus b square equal to what? A minus b in bracket square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Then I have number 5, a plus b plus c in brackets is giving me this. A square b square c square, then 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. Then the sixth algebraic formula here says a minus b minus c, the same thing as saying a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2ac plus 2bc. So these are the 6 algebraic formula. So whatever is here, you can also represent it in whatever is here. Equal to sign means what? Whatever in the left hand side is the same thing as whatever in the right hand side. So in our next video, we'll be explaining some complex algebraic equation, how to substitute them, and how to use their formula. So don't forget to subscribe to get notification whenever an update comes up. See you soon.